Tapaste la popola.
Ajá.
Tú estás hablando con tu papi. Yo quiero que me tapes también la teta, así. ¿Qué es lo que te está diciendo tu papi? ¿Eh? Vamos a ver, vamos a conversar. ¿Qué te parece a ti de lo que está pasando entre Clinton y Obama ahora? ¿Por quién tú vas a votar? ¿Por quién vas a votar? No Clinton, McCain. I'm sorry, I'm a little back behind on politics. Who are you going to vote for, McCain or Obama? What? McCain or Obama? Sounds like, oh, okay. You're gonna vote for John McCain. Yeah, I'm gonna vote for John McCain. I don't like that actor, Obama. Oh no, he's gonna raise my taxes, my puppy taxes. Okay, and he's not gonna have money to buy me anything, cause the gas is $4 a gallon. Okay. See, I want John McCain to win the election. Say it. Tell the camera. Tell the camera. Hey. Okay. How do you feel about Obama? Oh. I know, baby, I know. But don't worry, Papi's not gonna let that happen. Okay? Papi's not gonna let that happen. And the American people's not gonna let that happen. We're gonna